Oh yeah, and by the way, y'all, these are almond tortilla shells. Vegan almond tortilla shells. I just found these in Harris Teeter today. Didn't even know they had these, but they are bomb.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vegan shrimp tacos. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, we got some vegan.
I forgot the Mexican hot sauce, y'all.
Vegan shrimp tacos. I made some special sauce on there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I got some Mexican hot sauce, which I'm gonna throw on there too. But we got some vegan tacos, you guys. Vegan shrimp tacos, that is. Let's see how these shrimps taste. I'm gonna try it on without the hot sauce first. Let's see that. Oh my God, it's so hard. But we're gonna put this back together. This is what the vegan shrimp look like, you guys. Let's try it with the hot sauce now. Alright, now so I put the Mexican hot sauce on there now. Alright, so let's see what these joints taste like. And the sauce that I made, I'm gonna put that in the description down below. I think it was maybe 4 ingredients, but it'll be in the description down below, you guys. But I'm about to get back to these tacos. Happy Taco Tuesday.
All right, we're gonna heat up some oil on medium-high heat. Now you're gonna add in your vegan shrimp. Add in some veggie broth, and this is optional. Give this a little shake. Next, we're gonna add in our seasonings. Add in your Old Bay. Onion powder. Garlic powder. All right, now we're gonna give this a little shake and stir to make sure everything is well combined. All right, we're gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna remove them from the pan. All right, using the same pan, we're going to heat up our tortilla shells. All right, we're going to repeat this process, and I'm only doing 3 tortilla shells in this video. All right, all the tortilla shells are done. We're gonna place them on a taco plate. Now it's time to build the tacos. Add your purple cabbage. Add your shrimp. Add some onions. Cilantro. Avocado. Now we're going to squeeze some lime over the tacos. Add your jalapeños. And top it off with your sauce. And there you have it, guys, vegan shrimp tacos.
It's no big deal. It's no big